Hello everyone, Avi from Mystrika here, and today I am going to demonstrate the latest workspace and teams feature that has gone live in Mystrika. This is a game-changing feature because this allows you to bring your whole team within Mystrika to do manage, add, collaborate, and boost your cold email sales. Now, workspaces can be created based on whatever you feel is a logical fit. It can be at per client level, it can be niche level, or so on and so forth. Each workspace is a separate entity altogether, and each workspace can be assigned to one or more members which you consider as part of team. What makes Mystrika's team feature so unique is that each workspace can be assigned to any other Mystrika user, including the free users. That means if you are a VA, if you are a virtual agent working for someone else, you can accept workspaces from multiple clients in same Mystrika account. And if you have multiple VAs in your team, you can assign one workspace to each one of them, or you can have two VAs assigned to one workspace, or as and when you see fit. As simple as that. It is up to you how you want to do the segregation. So let's go to dashboard and let's see it. So to create a workspace, all you need to do is click on default here, and this option will be visible if your plan has a limit of 15,000 subscribers, uploaded prospect or more. So all you need to do is click on create new, enter the workspace name whatever you want. For example, if I want to create test-new, and then hit on create it. That's it. It will create the workspace and then switch to that workspace. So here you see I am in a new workspace that I just created, which is called test-new. You will notice it has a prefix W-. W- means you own that workspace, and if you are in an account which has received a workspace from someone else, it will have the prefix C-. That means it's a client workspace. It's someone else's workspace that you are working on. To keep the differentiations clear. So to switch between workspaces, all you need to do is click here, choose whichever workspace you want to switch to. For example, I want to switch to test-workspace, click on switch it, give it a minute, and voila, you are in a new workspace altogether. Now, you want to assign this workspace to your team, right? So all you need to do is click on teams, and then you can click on assign workspace, select the workspace that you own, and then you enter the username. Any Mystrika username, including the free accounts, are eligible to receive a workspace. So you can assign, or you can put whatever Mystrika username that you want to assign this workspace to, enter it, click on assign, and then when they refresh the page, they will see this option at the bottom, and then they can choose which workspace they want to jump to and click on switch it. As simple as that. One important thing is each and every one who has access to workspace has full access to it. That means they can delete leads, they can manage the campaigns, they can modify the campaigns, they can answer to uniboxes, they can add a new unibox, they can upload the leads, or anything else that you can do on that workspace, they can do. So just be careful whom you assign your workspace to. I cannot wait to see what you guys do with the new feature.